There are places you visit, and then there are places you truly experience. Places where the journey is as beautiful as the destination. One destination transforms into something truly magical. Ekta Nagar. Because here, the rains don't just bring water. They bring life. They bring color. They bring adventure. The Narmada flows with renewed energy. The hills turn lush and green. Waterfalls come alive. And the Statue of Unity rises through the mist, revealing a side of Ekta Nagar that feels completely different. This monsoon, discover Ekta Nagar, where monsoon meets majesty. The Satpura and Vindhya hills turn greener. The forests come alive. The air feels fresher. And every corner of Ekta Nagar becomes a celebration of nature. At Zarwani Waterfall, the monsoon brings the landscape to its seasonal best. Water cascades through the forest. Greenery surrounds the trails. And the sound of flowing water becomes the soundtrack of the journey. From rain-kissed gardens to peaceful nature trails. From lush green landscapes to mist-covered hills. The monsoon reveals the most vibrant side of Ekta Nagar, a place to slow down, breathe deeper, and reconnect with nature. And then there is the Narmada. During the monsoon, the river reveals a different side of its timeless beauty, flowing with renewed energy through the landscape. The Narmada becomes a spectacular sight, and at the Sardar Sarovar Dam, the monsoon adds another dimension to this extraordinary engineering marvel. The sight of the waters in full flow is powerful. You can also experience the beauty of the river on a cruise, sailing through lush surroundings, dramatic skies, and breathtaking monsoon landscapes. Here, the beauty of the season is not just something you see, it is something you feel. The sound of rain, the freshness in the air, the flowing waters of the Narmada. This is Ekta Nagar in the monsoon. Feel the rush of the river. Take on the rapids. Paddle together and experience the thrill of river rafting. Surrounded by rain-soaked mountains rising through the mist. While many rafting destinations pause during the rainy season, this is one of the few places where the adventure continues. Rain, river, rapids. This is monsoon. And then, as clouds drift across the hills, a familiar silhouette emerges through the mist. Standing tall at 182 meters, the Statue of Unity, surrounded by the Narmada, framed by green hills, and set against the dramatic monsoon sky. The world's tallest statue takes on an entirely different character. During the rains, sometimes clear, sometimes wrapped in mist, always magnificent. Here, nature and human achievement come together in one unforgettable landscape. So if you are planning your next monsoon getaway, come for the lush green hills. Witness the Narmada in full flow. Experience the Sardar Sarovar Dam during the rains. Discover the seasonal beauty of Zarwani Waterfall. Cruise through the river. Feel the thrill of rafting at Kalwani. And stand before a monument that inspires a nation. Because this monsoon, the perfect journey is waiting. The perfect destination is calling. And the perfect time to explore is now. This monsoon, make Ekta Nagar your destination. Come, explore, experience Ekta Nagar, where monsoon meets majesty.